So here is a quick tutorial on how to use the Twitter app on your phone. Later I might do a video on how to use the desktop Twitter app, but this is just about using the Twitter app on your phone. So you click on the app, and I already have an account, but if you want to create an account, you just click on create an account. And you have to, I guess, put your email and name and a phone number, and then you choose what topics you like. So I'm going to go through my account right here. Let me show you how to edit the profile. So when you want to go to profile, you can click on your logo, or it can be it can be on the top left of your page, and it's just a shape, a silhouette of a person. If you haven't put a logo there, you can click on that and it shows you your page. You can click on edit profile. You can click on the header, and it will allow allow Twitter to access your photos, and then it can choose a photo for you. And for this one also, you can choose upload photo and choose one of your photos and put it there, and then click save. So this is my Twitter page. You can make it a lot more professional if you want. You choose a name here, you put something in your bio. You can make bullet points on your bio, and you can simply see other professional Twitter account and make it look a lot more professional. You can add your location if you like. And where it says website, you can put a website that you want to promote, or your own website if you like. You don't have to. Now what it lets you do is it gives you accounts to follow. And whenever Twitter allows you, recommends that you follow some accounts, I think you should. You will receive posts from the accounts you are following when you click on the following, and for you is the tweets you will receive based on the topics that you have chosen, that you said will interest you. So let's say you want to comment on a post, on a tweet. You can go, let's say you can go here, for example, click on this text box, and now you can type whatever you want. Click on tweet, and now you commented on this. If you want to retweet it, let me tell you here that it's a good idea to retweet tweets that have been retweeted many times. Like this one has been retweeted more than 4,000 times. When you retweet this and people see this post on your page, it attracts more audience. So you click on retweet. You have two options here. You can click on retweet, and the post will appear, this tweet will appear on your page. Or you can click on quote tweet, and this is where you can add you can write something about what you are retweeting. I highly recommend that you use hashtags. Whenever you use hashtags, it gives you some suggestions. For example, you type soccer, it gives you soccer champions tour, and etc. I think it's better to choose to take the Twitter suggestions, because you will attract again more audience this way. For example, championship, and then you click on tweet, and this will be seen on your page. You go and click on your logo or on your sign, and then you see it appears on your profile, right? Now let's say you want to create a new tweet. Go click on the circle on the right lower bottom of the page. Now you can write whatever you want. If you want to add a voice message, you can click on the icon on the left, on the farthest left of the page. You can click on the image icon and upload an image. We can click on GIFs. These are usually funny animations, very short clips, super funny, I think. So let's begin and see what it gives us. I will choose this one and then click tweet. Excuse me. On the right corner, the right lower corner of your page, you can click on that envelope and it lets you write a message to someone. If you know their Twitter account, you can put that here. For example, let's say soccer and see what comes up. Soccer tips, for example. Some of them don't let you message them. Some of them only let verified members to message them. It depends. So you can type your message here and then click on that arrow on the right and it will be sent. This bell here shows you the notifications. Usually it shows you who and at what time did you log into your account. Click on these little humans here. It shows you the communities that might interest you, for example, gaming and esports. And you can join the community, ask to join the community if you like. Click on this magnifier and it allows you to search Twitter. This gives you a lot of options. You can see the news that are going on that are related to your interests. You can click on trending and see what's trending right now. It's usually based on the country you are. Click on the news. You will see some news here that are trending. Click on sports, gives you sports, entertainment. And let's say you are trying to again search soccer. When you click on latest, it shows you the latest tweets about soccer. People who tweeted about soccer or are interested, so you can follow them. I recommend that you follow as many accounts as you can because that will also get you more followers. Click on photos, you get all the photos related to your search topic, and you can also click on videos to get the videos that are related to your search topic. Click on cancel. And there you go. So you have your account, you are receiving tweets from the accounts you have followed. And whenever you click on your icon, on your logo, you're going and you can see your page as well. I believe I have shown you everything. Let me show you how to bookmark a tweet. For example, if you are interested in this one, you can bookmark it here. It will save your tweet and you can go back to it later. If you click on this arrow over here, you can share it through the rest of the social media, or you can copy the link, put it on a website if you like, or send it to someone, or you can send it via a direct message. click on the heart and you will like it. Click on the text box and you can leave a comment, and you can also retweet it if you like. So I guess this is basically what we could see here. This is probably the most important things. You can follow the new list if you like, just adding. Anytime you follow someone, you create an opportunity to have more followers as well. Don't worry, when you first start, it will take a few days to add followers, but followers will show up. Twitter is an ever-growing community, and as people follow each other pretty quickly. Twitter Blue is a paid Twitter that lets you do a lot of things. It's $114.99 per year. You get the check mark. You can also choose the color of the check mark, and you prioritize your conversations. You can have longer videos, and you can also edit your tweets, which is not available on free Twitter. Okay, so let me know in the comments whether it was useful for you or not, and what other tutorials would you like to see.